Lot number 123. This appears to be 2 full kits. These are shelving for vans. The boxes are sealed. Everything is brand new, never used. I took pictures of all the item numbers. It's your job to look it up online, figure out if this is going to fit your needs. What I can tell you is that everything is brand new. We opened this box just to confirm, and everything in here is new. There's 2 pallets. There's 4 big boxes in the bottom and a couple of smaller boxes up top. This appears to be complete. This was ordered by the city and never used. It's been in storage for a while, but it's been in indoor storage. It's been kept cool and dry. Please look at all the pictures that I posted here. And look up this item, make sure it fits your needs. Good luck.